Hey guys, here are the top 5 passengers drone that you should know about. The fifth one is Jetson 1. Jetson 1 is a multi-rotor single-seater passenger drone that can take you up to 120 km per hour in the flight range of 20 minutes. The fourth one is Xpeng Voyager X2 is a Chinese multi-rotor that can travel up to 130 km per hour in a flight span of 35 minutes. The third one is BlackFly. BlackFly from the US company Opner is a single-seater fixed-wing VTOL aircraft that is having vertical takeoff and landing capabilities, and it can go up to 130 km per hour speed with a flight radius of 45 km. And the second one is Volocity. Volocity from the German company Volocopter, formerly known as eVolo, is a multi-rotor two-seater passenger drone that can carry passengers up to the speed of 110 km per hour with an operational radius of 35 km. And the first one is Archer Midnight. Archer Midnight from the US company Archer Aviations is a 5-seater fixed-wing passenger drone that can take passengers up to the range of 100 km with a maximum speed of 240 km per hour. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.